friends, today I'm going to tell you all about plastic pollution, and it's causing Earth a lot of problems. So, plastic pollution with also climate change. Climate change is where the Earth gets hotter and cold place melting. Like, this is a cold place. If it's climate change, that means this cold place is melting. That's what I mean. Like, hot places are getting hotter and colder places are melting. So it's difficult for animals to find food too. Like, if there was a bird and they needed to find a type of fish, and then the fish only lives in warmers, and then the fish only lives in cold seas, first it's cold here, and then the bird's here, so it's easy to get it, and then it gets hot because of climate change, and the fish go a colder place, and then the birds have to fly very, very far to get their food, and then they often rest on somewhere, and then they have to go back to their home. So this is a piece of plastic. We don't want it to go in our oceans. So that's what we don't want, because all this plastics is going into our oceans. There's a lot of sea life endangered. So dolphins, whales, jellyfish, they're all getting under control with plastic. Like, if there was a plastic bag floating in the sea, wallowing in the sea, drifting in the currents, and there was a turtle's like jellyfish, and the plastic bag looked like a jellyfish, the turtle would go and eat it, and he would get sick and died. So that's what I mean. All of these fish which is here, just right here, are endangered. So you can't find them, but we can find them mostly if they're born. So we have to stop putting plastic in our oceans. Stop cutting down trees, because it's another problem for carbon dioxide. If all of the carbon dioxide goes in our atmosphere, and it's like the atmosphere is around our world. It's like a little protective dome. So it's called a greenhouse effect. If all of the carbon dioxide goes up instead of turning into something else, which is called carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas, if it goes all the way up there, it makes the Earth get hotter. At first, the atmosphere kept the Earth warmer, not too warm and not too cold, just the right temperature. Like sardines live in cold seas, I think. Yeah. So the birds can fly to the food. And there's something else happening. Plastic is getting in the food chain. So if a fish eats plastic, and then a shark eats the fish, and then the fish, and then something else eats the shark, and then we eat something else, whatever has ate the shark, then we have plastic inside our bodies. So that's why it's getting in our way. So plastic is not for throwing in the oceans. So if you ever see plastic lying on the beach, always there to pick them, because then the waves might wash it, and then they go into the sea. There's another reason where we know where plastic can be. They can be in parks, they can be anywhere. Plastic can be all over the world, even sometimes in Antarctica. So we need to reuse plastic, recycle them, or reuse them again. If we had this, we would make it into something, and then we recycle it to make it into another new thing, or we'll just reuse it to turn it and to take out some bits off, and then turn it with other parts, turn it into another thing. Like first it was a boat, and then it turned into a basket, like that. So that's what I mean. So this is all about plastic. And always reuse them. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.